So now, today we are going to learn, you have your books with you, page 18?
Yeah.
Page 18 and page 19?
18 and 19?
Yes. In that, I was telling you about that what do our cell need to grow, to repair, and to do other life processes. I was saying that if you have a cut in your hand,
Yeah.
it will take 2 days or 3 days. If the cut is more, it will take more time. So what do our cell and tissues, they need to repair? They need these molecules: lipids, proteins, carbohydrates, nucleic acids. Girls, for your grade, it's enough if you know the names and their function. Lipids, protein, carbohydrates, and nucleic acids.
Yeah, Miss, but
You can make any short form for this. You can make any short form for this. LPC. Last year, I used to say LP Cartoon Network. With
Miss, I screenshotted it.
LPCN. That is L for lipid, P for protein, C for carbohydrates, and for nucleic acids. Girls, we call it as a cell fuel. Cell, what is this?
Cell fuel.
Cell fuel. Why? Because the cell needs it to repair. If cell do not get these 4 things properly, they cannot repair. They cannot
Repair.
fix themselves. They cannot grow properly. Okay? So,
Yeah.
LPCN. What is LPCN? I used to say the fuel of my cell is LP Cartoon Network. Cartoon is carbohydrate.
Yeah, cartoon.
Network N is nucleic acid.
Yes.
P, you can make any word. Love.
L
Love.
to network. L is
for-
lip.
Hmm?
Lip. L. What is it? Lip.
Lipids. P, proteins. C, carbohydrates. N, nucleic acid.
Miss, it's important.
At least the name you must know. If I ask you, what are the things that are important, or what are the molecules that are important for the cell? Just remember LPCN: lipids, proteins, carbohydrates, nucleic acid.
Yeah, but Miss, this is a regular cell, right? A regular human cell, right?
Yes, a regular, usually girls,
Yeah.
all
This
cells.
is a cell,
I'm not only talking about human here, I'm talking about all cell processes. So of course, human cell also, it's important.
Miss, but the animal cell is not like this cell.
They need it. It's not same, but they need this. They need these. Okay?
So they have some of the things.
Yes. What are the some examples of nutrients? You know, the nutrients are proteins, carbohydrate, lipids. Now, the next is, girls, this box is very important to know the functions. First, I will explain you this box and we can go deep inside here, okay?
Okay.
Let us come first for the lipids. You know the names now, LPCN, lipids, proteins, carbohydrates, and nucleic acid. The first one, what is the function of lipids? It is they store energy. They store energy. Second, what does the protein do? They build and repair body structures. Like example, what food is rich in protein? Tell me. Protein. What food is rich in protein? What have lot of proteins?
Miss, nuts have.
Yes. Nuts have proteins. You know others? The lentils.
Yeah.
They are rich in proteins. Your chicken, mutton, these are rich in protein.
And the meat, Miss.
Meat. Yeah, mutton, meat, and chicken meat or beef or anything. These are rich in proteins. what is the function? Like, what will happen if your cell gets good protein? It will repair and grow faster. That's what it's saying here.
Miss, does egg have protein?
What? Egg, yes, egg is very good in protein again.
Because I have my niece, yeah, she can't eat peanuts, she can't eat eggs.
Maybe she's
can't
allergic to
eat-
proteins.
Yeah, I think
Yes.
maybe, but she can eat like chocolate things. She can eat some kind.
Okay. Now, what did I say for lipid? Store
Store
energy, right?
energy. Yeah.
Did I say you
And
that?
protein. Yeah, I think, yeah.
Store energy. That is for lipid. For proteins, repair, grow and repair. Grow means they said build here. They wrote here build, and repair the cell. Even this is store, but there's also something extra. It stores and also release energy. And also release energy. It also gives energy. Now, finally, what is for nucleic acid? Finally, what is for nucleic acid? It is carry information for cell process, regulate life process, build and repair the cell, regulate
Miss, you will screenshot it and send it for us, or we write?
I will send you, don't worry, I'll send you. Because here you cannot waste a lot of time. But if you're writing with me, it's okay, no problem. But later I will send you. Regulate life processes and nucleic acid carry information. Carry information. I can just make a car here. I don't know, I can draw it or not. You remember I used to make in the class? Transport.
Yeah. I remember.
I'm so sorry, my car is very bad.
No, miss.
My best. Okay, so carry information. So lipids and carbohydrates, like when you take rice and lipids, this is oily things. These are very good for storing and releasing energy. Protein is something building and repairing the cells. Same way. For my body, when I take protein, it builds the muscles and everything like that, building and repairing the cell and function the life process. Actually, this regulate life process is not for carbohydrate. This is for here, regulate life process. Regulate life process. And here it is store and release energy. Store and release. Okay. So girls, is this clear? Is this understood well?
Yeah. Yeah, miss, perfect.
Store energy. Proteins build and repair the cell and regulate the life process. Carbohydrates store and release energy. Nucleic acids carry information. Okay? So this later I will send you. Can you all say me without seeing now? Yes? Please?
Yeah, miss.
Can you say lean or no?
What?
Can you say me what is the function of carbohydrate?
Miss, I can't hear you.
You don't hear me? What is the function of carbohydrate? Vatin? Hello?
Routine.
Yes?
Right?
Yeah, say me the
What?
function of carbohydrate. Store and?
Miss, who?
Anyone. Anyone.
Miss, the
store and release energy.
Store and release energy.
Lipids store energy. Protein build and repair the cell and responsible for basic
What?
process. Build means to grow.
Yeah, but Miss, if you never ate anything, only drink milk, only drink water, and like eat one meal, like maybe pizza. So only water and pizza and nothing else. Or maybe water and potatoes,
Not good. Because
what will happen to you, Miss?
If you eat only, Malak, if you eat only potato contains carbohydrate. It does not contain protein. So after few days, your body will not have good protein. Your muscles will start to pain. You cannot move your body easily. Whenever you run little bit, you will have pain in your muscles because that means your body is not getting enough proteins. Now, if you take protein and if you don't take something else, it has to be balanced diet. It has to be balanced diet, okay?
Yeah, because some people only eat garlic, like garlic, only garlic, garlic and water, only garlic and water.
Garlic?
Garlic.
Really?
Basil. Yeah, it's a kind of diet, Miss.
But they eat something. They take something.
No, only garlic and water.
No, they must take some chicken or fruits. At least fruits.
Yeah.
Yeah, banana.
No, only garlic, Miss.
I don't know. I've never heard about this diet.
I don't even like garlic. I hate eating garlic.
Garlic, you mean toom, right? In Arabic, it's toom.
Basil.
Basil,
Right?
is
No,
like it's onion.
onion is basil.
Oh my God, I
Onion.
was shocked. I was like, garlic is toom. How can somebody live with toom and water?
Yeah.
No, sorry, Miss. Garlic and water.
Onion.
Yeah, onion.
Onion means basil.
You can cook
You want to
onion.
say basil?
Yeah, only onion and water. Nothing added. Nothing. Only garlic.
They cook the onion, right?
Not garlic.
No, sometimes not.
Anyways, let's
I saw people doing it online.
five. I can just explain you this first. Let me finish off my lesson now. A lipid is a fat molecule or molecule that has similar properties. When I say lipid, when I say this word lipid, remember I'm talking about oil. I'm talking about oil.
Oil.
Your oily food, your fried food, your lot of fats, cheese. Okay?
Yeah. And some
Lipids do not mix with water.
hamburger.
Lipids do not mix with water. Of course, oil do not mix with water. They have many jobs in cell, such as storing energy. Fats and oils are lipids that store energy that organisms can use when they need it. Your cells get lipids from foods such as olive oil and fish. When you eat olive oil or some other oil and fish, and waxes and steroids are different type of lipids. Steroids and waxes, they are different. Girls, you don't need to know much. Just know their job. That their job is to store energy. Sorry. What did I say before? Yes, store energy, correct. Their job is to store energy. Next.
Yeah.
Protein. A protein is a molecule made up of smaller molecules called amino acid. A protein is a molecule made up of smaller molecules. These are called as amino acid. This line, please, can you highlight it?
Okay, Miss.
Yeah.
This line. A protein is a molecule made up of smaller molecules. So protein is made up of what? It's made up of
Molecules.
Yeah. Miss, but sometimes when you put like oil, when you put it in a pan, and then like take something cold and put it in the hot oil, it will go.
Yes.
That once happened.
Because they don't dissolve.
Many
That's
times.
because they don't dissolve. That's why.
Yeah, super hot oil with cold, something cold.
Can cause fire also.
Why will it just die away? Why? What?
Because
what
oil is
happened?
not mixing with water.
No, not water, miss. Something cold with something hot.
Because something cold also has water droplets. You know condensation?
Yeah.
Like example, you take out nuggets from the freezer, but they're cold. When they go to the oil, which is hot, the condensation, you know, it changes to water droplets.
Yeah, and you take like a cold spoon and put it in the oil.
Yeah, because that cold spoon will have vapors. Cool. Okay, let us come back here. When you eat foods with high in protein, such as peanut butter, meat, the proteins are broken down into amino acids. Girls, you need to remember, protein, when you cut down protein, they turn into amino acids. Tomorrow I'm asking you about what are the function of lipid, protein, carbohydrate, and what?
Carbohydrate.
And lipid, protein,
Nucleic
carbohydrate, and
nucleic
very good.
acid.
Nucleic acid. So what is protein?
I think my favorite one is nucleic acid.
Nucleic acid. When you cut down the protein, you get amino acids. Like example, if I take fish if I eat meat and I eat peanut butter, it goes into my body and cut down to amino acids. Now these amino acids, they make new proteins. And what is the important function of proteins? They are used to build and repair. Also, this is very important. Again, we highlighted. Proteins are used to build and repair body structures to regulate body process. This is enough. This is enough here if you highlight it. Okay? Now we go to next page. You understood about protein?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So protein, when you cut it, there's gonna be a nucleic acid.
Amino acids. Amino acids. To make again a new protein. And what is the function of protein? What is it helping? It is helping you to repair and grow the cell or the body. Okay?
Okay, miss.
Now coming to what? What is next? Carbohydrates. Okay. So when you hear about carbohydrate, which is the responsible to make you, mashallah, Leen is very smart, very, very smart. Malak is very smart. Wateen is smart. This is for me because I am fat. So carbohydrates. That means my body don't need more carbohydrates. I must avoid rice. I must avoid pasta. I must not eat potatoes. Or
Pasta, miss? No? No pasta?
pasta will make you, not for you, Yamalak, because mashallah, your body is lean, you are thin. So molecules that include sugars, starch, and fiber, these are called carbohydrates.
Yeah, fiber and
Starch and fiber. Cell use carbohydrates as source of energy and for energy storage. I told you, carbohydrates for storing energy and for releasing energy.
Yeah, and you can't drink milk, right, miss?
Milk, okay. Milk means you have balanced diet in that.
Yeah, the bread, miss. Can you eat bread?
That's what I'm saying. Bread has carbohydrate. The amount must be less for me.
Yeah, so you don't cut it off completely. You only cut it off a bit. Like the not important thing.
Yes. So cell break down carbohydrate to release energy. What is the more important thing I'm talking here about? Is about storing and energy. Cell use carbohydrate source of energy for storage, for energy storage, and to release the energy. There's two important things. Now, carbohydrates contain, again, carbohydrates. What's the chemistry? What does carbohydrate has inside? Carbohydrate is made up of carbon, oxygen, hydrogen. I will underline for you better. Made up of, like examples such as table sugar, what you eat. It's made up of one sugar molecule anyways. The sugar molecule.
Yeah, but Miss, why is sugar, what is the difference between sugar and salt? What is the difference in the
Sugar
molecules?
contains carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Salt contains sodium and chlorine, sodium chloride. This is the main difference.
Which one's better than the other?
Of course, lot of salt is not good. Lot of sugar is not good.
But Miss, which one's better?
Which
one's better? Yani which one's
more sugar is very bad. Okay, salt, nobody likes to eat more.
Yeah, nobody.
But sugar, you love to eat more and more, like chocolate cakes, the cocoa and all that. Anyways, girls, we are about to finish the lesson. Yeah, sorry, about to finish the class. I told you about carbohydrate, release and store energy. Coming to nucleic acid. Tomorrow I will continue my class with nucleic acid, okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, that's it for today.
Yeah.